Good day everyone, I am Desus Cucharo and today we will discuss about first order differential equations. So we have an example here. So our first example is dy over dx plus 2y equals 2e to the power of x. In solving it, we will use two different formulas. And the first formula is the integrating factors. The formula of integrating factors is if equals e to the power of the differential of p of x dx. But before that, we will first identify the value of p of x and q of x. So in this equation, the value of p of x is 2 and the value of q of x is 2e to the power of x. P of x equals 2 and q of x equals 2e to the power of x. So we will solve it using the integrating factors. So copy if equals e to the power of, so our p of x is 2, the integral of 2 dx, then equals copy if, so e, so the integral of 2 dx is 2x, so our if is e to the power of 2x. Next is the second formula, y times if equals the integral of q of x times if dx. So y times our if is e to the power of 2x equals to the integral of our q of x is 2e power of x, so 2 times e to the power of x times e to the power of 2x dx. So copy y times e 2x equals, so let's put the whole number outside here, the integral e to the power of x times e to the power of 2x dx. So copy y times e 2x equals 2, then the integral of e to the power of x times e to the power of x is equals to e x times 2x is 3x dx. So copy y times e 2x is equals to 2. So in solving the integral of e to the power of 3x dx is you will use the use substitution, which is ru is equals to 3x and du is 3 dx, then divide both sides by 3, then cancel, so our dx is du over 3. So integral of e u du over 3. So y times e 2x is equals to 2 times 1/3 is 2/3, then e u plus c. Then let's substitute the value of our u, which is 3x. So copy y times e 2x equals to 2/3 e 3x plus c. Then the next step is we will divide both sides by e to the power of 2x. Then this will become cancelled, so ry is equals to 2/3 x is 2x minus 3x minus 2x is that, then plus c e to the power of negative at 2x. So this is the answers of our second formula, which is the y. So we will have second example, which is the dy over dx plus y cotangent x equals 1. So we will use the two formulas, which is the integrating factors and to get the y value. In the first step, we will find the p of x and q of x. So our p of x is cotangent x and our q of x is 1. So let's write p of equals the integral of q of x, which is 1 times sin x dx. So copy y times sin x is equals to the integral of y sin x dx. Copy y times sin x equals to, so the integral of sin x dx is equals to negative cosine x plus c. Then we will divide both sides by sin x. Then cancel. So the value of our y equals negative cosine x over sin x plus c over sin x. Then so y is equals to, since negative cosine x over sin x is a trigonometric identities, which is the negative cotangent x plus c, 1 over sin x is equals to cosecant x. So this is the